Hello guys, Tiago Gomes, the creator of Hellphior games here, and today this video is gonna teach you how to keep your music playing between scenes in your game. So stay tuned. First, I need you to tell you how can you change between scenes in the game, and then I'm gonna show you how can you keep your music game object um, be static and don't change when you change scene. Okay, so first of all, we are going to create two simple scripts. Okay, this video is very simple, and this is something very simple. So you are going to see. So the first script is gonna be called don't destroy. Okay, okay, like this, and the second one is gonna be called change scene. Okay, we need to open it. We're going to open the two scripts, and this don't destroy script is going to be attached to our music game object. Okay, and I need to show you that my first scene, in the first scene, this is the from the last video, so you have the coins, etc. If you want to know how to pick up coins and stuff, just watch the last video. And in the second scene, we only have the player with a different background. Okay, so we have no music, so when we play here, there's a music playing. Okay, you can hear it, I think, but when we are on the different scene, we don't have music. But we are going to change it with the don't destroy game object, with don't destroy script. Okay, so on don't destroy, we need to open the change scene too. Okay, with the don't destroy, we need to put in here using Unity engine dot scene management. This is because we are messing around with the scene manager. Okay, so we can clear this, and we are going to create a void, a private. We can call it private void awake. Okay, this comes from this is the first thing that the script is gonna read. Then it's gonna read the void start that we don't have in here, and then the update. Okay, so you understand. Now I'm gonna write down everything, and then I tell you what I'm doing here. Okay. So basically, what I'm writing here on awake, I'm saying that basically I'm finding where are the game object with the tag music. We are searching for game objects with the tag music. Okay, so in Unity, what we need to do is we need to go to our game object with the audio source that we are playing with our music, the music of the background music of our game, and we need to put the tag music. How can you put the tag? Just go to head tag, create in here the tag that you want. You can call it whatever you want, and on the script you have to change it, of course. And then we go to music and put the tag that you choose in here. So now we need to put the don't destroy script in here on music. I'm gonna write something more on update in here on our don't destroy script, but I'm gonna fast forward again. So after I write down, I explain you. Okay. So in here, what I'm doing is just something that is optional for you, and maybe it's helpful for you. I'm gonna put this like a comment. Okay. So what we are doing here on update is just scene current scene equals to scene manager get active. This is just searching for the scene that is active, the scene where we are, okay? And if the scene where we are is the scene called scene 1, this is gonna destroy the game object where this C# script is attached, okay? So if, for example, if we are on a menu, when we change to the game, so we are on scene 0 and we are changing to the scene 1, that is the game in itself, and it's not the menu, we have to destroy the game object of the music. We don't want this music to keep playing, so we call this void update function, and it's gonna destroy the music of the main menu. So that's it. That's how you can use this. Or maybe you have like 4 scenes, and in the first 2 you want to play the music, in the third you don't wanna, and in the fourth you want, or something like that. This is how can you do it, okay? This is just if you need this, but for this tutorial we just need this function awake, okay? So we have this done. Remember to put the tag music, and now we want to have something or we want to change between scenes. So we need to create the C# script change scene, okay? So we are going to use in here the same thing, the scene management. Sorry. And we don't need any of this. We are going to create a specific function, okay? So private void, and we are going to call it menu. This is just an example. You can give it the name that you want. And I'm gonna fast forward. So what we have here, I just created a simple function. You can create functions like this, and we just need this line. This line is just calling, okay, when this function is happening, we want the scene manager to load the scene that we write down in here. And the name that you put here is the name of the scene that you have on Unity. In this case, we are on video. We are on this scene called video, and we are going to change to video 2. So the name that I have to put in here is video 2. It's simple, right? So this second line is just this. Maybe it's helpful for you, I don't know, but for me it was because I had scenes that were static, so I had the time scale 0, and when I change scenes, it stays frozen. So I want the scene to move, the player to move, so I have 1 in here. Okay, this maybe can help you. I'm just leave it here, so maybe this can be helpful for you in future things that you do to your game. So that's it. So now we need to create one more thing. We need to create the private void on trigger enter 2D, because our player is going to collide with something that is going to activate the function menu to change scene. You will understand better. Let me just write this down. So basically what we have here is a private void trigger enter 2D. So our player is going to collide with a box, and what this is going to do is, if the collision, if the player is colliding with a box that have a box or something with the collider that have the tag menu, is going to call the function menu that we create. Okay, so now we need to put this script in our player. Okay, we need to put the change scene in our player. As you can see, is in there, and our music have the don't destroy script. And now we are going to create here on layer 1, where we have our coins, we are going to create a empty object, and we are going to call it box. Okay, we are going to put the tag menu that we okay, we can put the tag change. I'm going to put the tag change, it's better, so I need to change in here to change. Okay, and this box needs to have a box collider 2D with the trigger marked. Okay, and we are going to move it in here to the scene, and when the player collides with this line, it's gonna change scenes. Okay, let's see if it's working. And when we change scenes, our music game object is gonna change to the other scene too. Okay, let's see if it's working. So you have our player, we have the coins. Once more, if you want, you can check the video where I tell you how can you do this. And we change scenes, and the music is still playing in here. Don't destroy, unload. Music is playing. So that's it. I think this video is done. I think now you can apply this to your game. You can use music in different scenes, and hope this helped you anyways. This is something that I learned while I was trying to do my games, and I think it's very helpful to have videos like this with simple stuff that maybe the people think, okay, this is very simple, anyone can do it, but there are probably someone like me that is gonna search for this and is gonna appear in your search, in your Google search, this video, and it's very helpful. So hope you like it, hope this helped you, and leave a like, subscribe if you like, check my games and my socials, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and bye bye, see you next Sunday.